Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicweb.com, making this a small video about indices. A lot of people were asking and telling everyone in the email wasn't pretty good, so I decided to just make a video and show what it is, how it is, so that everybody can understand. So this the question is that if Magic IB system can work with the commodities or the indices like DAX, S&P 500, and stuff like that. So yes, anything in that you can have in MT4. That's this the indicator that draw these candles in the whole system is based on MT4. I don't know if it may work on other platforms or not, but I would not say anything. MT4, and then most of the things that you have on MT4 anyway. It's a lot of brokers. You have all the commodities indices on MT4. So yeah, there was somebody keep asking me about the Indian stock market. I don't know if you have it and on MT4. Yes, it will work. That's the simple answer. Anything that you can have a regular chart, for example, the daily 30, this DAX, this a daily chart, a weekly chart. If you can have these charts on MT4, this system will work. Simple as that. Okay, so keep in mind. And this is what I'm showing right now. It's just a different setting. I can give you the setting, no big deal. Okay, so this is German DAX. You can see these entries, how nicely it is. This is the month of June. This is June 6th, 666, and June 7, 7, 7, 8, 9, and then there was a weekend, and then the June 10. Starting from here, you have a couple of entries, and there's another entry is in the making, and this thing is continue going to the upside, right? So this is one thing that you have these candles and you have these setups, but then my subscription comes in where I do the analysis, and then I tell you exactly, based on Elliott wave, harmonic patterns, where the heck this thing is going on a daily basis. Not daily basis. I do webinars twice a week, Wednesday and Sunday. But I do post my right now. I'm not posting on indices, only the forex on my Telegram channel, which is this. So I send out charts and heads up and all that on the Telegram time to time whenever I see a good setup cooking. So yes, again back to the topic is that indices. This is German DAX. Today is 10th June. I'm showing you. This is the entry is the 7th on Friday, and this is today. Okay, and different time frames, different settings have different. If you can make it long term, yes, you can make it long term as well. But this is let me show you Dow US 30. Look at the entries. This is also June 6, June 6, 6. This is 7, 7. And then here this is 10 right now. Okay, so this is just a month of June. Look at it, and then again you can do higher time frame, you can say, and then you will see something like that. Again, it's going up very nice and clean. And on a little smaller time frame, we'll show you something like this. Okay, all of these and entries, all of the beautiful entries, right? Then this retracement, and then entries coming again. So this is US 30, and then US 500 is just like this. S&P 500, right? So beautiful entry. This is June 5th, June 6th, and then June 7th, and now this is on the Friday the 7th, and after that this June 10th. This I don't count this entry because it hasn't touched. Yeah, well, it is a nice entry. As long as this is a solid going in strongly going in that direction. Excuse me. Then it's a very good entry, and then it is ready to bounce again. So I just showed you this, and then similarly like gold, silver, anything you can have on MT4. The charts on MT4 available. You can use this system there and get entries like this. Okay, this is beautiful entries, very systematic, no hanky-panky, no big wicks ups and downs, and just equal size of candles and very precise entries. So this is just one of the show that you can use the system almost on anything. as long as those instruments are available on MT4. So hope that will help now to everyone. I will post this chart again and again every place so that everybody can see it. This video I'm talking about. So this is it for now. And if you want to join, you want to get a hold of the system, go on my website, myforexmagicweb.com, and subscribe. Okay, I think you can see that name right there. See, myforexmagicweb.com, and then so subscribe to see. This is the euro yen. This was my entry last week. I posted this on my website already. This is the trade, and exactly like something like this. It's cooking right now, and I have an entry here, and so far a little positive. So let's see if it works out. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful rest of the trading week.